Hey, YouTube family, what's up? Good morning. I got me some red hots that I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix me up for breakfast this morning. I'm gonna do me a nice little sandwich before I get ready to go to work. This is early in the morning, y'all. I'm trying to save me some money. I don't want to go to McDonald's. I kind of get tired of eating McDonald's in the morning for breakfast. And I don't want to go to Biscuitville. You know what I'm saying? Some of these places you get tired of or whatever. So I'm just gonna make me a quick little breakfast. So I got me some red hots and I'm just splitting these up, putting them in the non-stick skillet. And I just want to char these up on each side. I want to char it up on the flesh side and also the skin side. I want you to do me a favor if you could. Please comment below and let me know what type of breakfast do you cook for yourself in the morning. What type of proteins and what kind of vegetables, or even comment and let me know what kind of drink you choose of choice, whether it be some OJ, some grapefruit juice, a soda, or even Kool-Aid, or even some milk. Comment below and tell me what you prepare for breakfast. And like we say, I'm trying to save some money right now. And then again, I get tired of fast food all the time. So this is what I'm doing. I'm charring up my red hots, and I just want to move these babies to the side. I got me some smoked sausages in the fridge, but I wanted to eat some red hots on the day. You know what I'm saying? So with this here non-stick skillet, I'm taking a paper towel and I'm just wiping this baby down. Less clean up as possible. And I don't have to go to the sink just to rinse it out. You feel me? So I got some butter right here. I got about a stick of butter, not a stick of butter, but a tablespoon of butter that I'm adding to the pot. Because I want to fry me up a couple of eggs. And that's all I want to do. I don't want nothing scrambled or anything like that because I'm trying to hurry up and get up out of this place so I can go to work. So I'm going to take 2 eggs and just crack it on the inside. At one point, I thought I'd drop some shells up in this here, and you'll see what I'm talking about, but I didn't drop no shells in the pan, and I'm so thankful I didn't, you know what I'm saying? The better thing that you could do if you want to prevent shells from falling into the skillet or whatever, just go ahead and crack your eggs into a bowl and just put them into your skillet and start frying them up or scrambling them or however you like doing it. So as far as it goes with the seasonings, I'm just going to use everyday seasoning for eggs, just some regular old salt and pepper. That's all I'm going to do. And from there, I want to fry these babies up to the best of my ability. Why? Because these are going to be some easy and simple eggs for me. You know what I'm saying? Making me a nice little sandwich. You feel me? So with that being said, how do you like your eggs? Do you like them poached, scrambled, sunny side up, or whatever the case may be? Comment below. Tell me how you like your eggs in the morning. I know some people don't mind having some toast and some runny eggs, scooping up that yolk with that toast. Hey, I'm one of these people. But today, I'm not one of these people. I just want to go ahead and try to get it done and get in my car, ride on to the job, and start my day off. But at least I have a full belly. You know what I'm saying? At least I have me a good old, nice cooked breakfast, and everything will be all right. Doing the 9 to 5 job, do you guys like getting up early in the morning, going to that 9 to 5? If you enjoy what you're doing at your job, comment below, let me know what kind of work you do or whatever the case may be. For me, I work in a garage. I've been working in a garage for well over 30 some years already. All right. But I enjoy my job. And this is just one way of me, getting that energy that I need to start a day. So with that same non-stick skillet, I'm just going to take a paper towel out and wipe this thing out and then go ahead and start toasting up my toast. But if you really want to know where I got this skillet, y'all, all you have to do is go to Sam's Club. And Sam's Club got these skillets. They got the smaller version, the mid-sized version, and they got a larger version of this here non-stick skillet. I kind of like this here, baby, because you could cook it on top of the stove, or even you could throw it into the oven. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not promoting the skillet by far because I've had this for years. Now what I'm throwing in here is I'm seasoning up my butter with some of that McCormick's vegetable seasoning that you just seen. I just love this here seasoned toast, y'all. It's just something about the seasoned toast along with that protein and the egg. It all sets right with me. You know what I mean? And some people put cheese on their toast. If you want to do a cheese toast or something like that and then go ahead and throw your eggs and your red hot on it or whatever, go ahead and do so. But do me a favor again. Tell me how you build your breakfast sandwich for you to take to either eat at home or eat at work or whatever the case may be. I'm having a nice little conversation with you guys before my day gets started. And this is one way for me to have an enjoyable day. But I like for you guys to go ahead and check out some of my YouTube videos that I've already created. I got one video where I did chicken and noodles. If you really want to know how to make good chicken and noodles for your family, go over and check out that video, whatever the case may be. And I also have a refreshing lemonade video that you guys can also try. It's all simple and easy videos on this here channel on Mack's Kitchen and Grill, and you enjoy each and everything. As you can see, we're building up our sandwich right now, and I don't have cheese on this, but next time I do it with some smoked sausages, I'm going to add me some cheese. But I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for checking out here this early in the morning breakfast for me, because this is a get up and go breakfast. Thank you so much for checking out Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I want you to please subscribe, share, and like the video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys, and remember, start your day off with love.